Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Salmon is one of the easiest things to cook in the air fryer as long as you know what to do. In this video I'll talk you through how I cook my salmon and share my secret tips for a perfect golden outside and beautiful flakes of fish. Okay, so on to ingredients. So this is very simple. I've got my salmon fillets here. Just bought these from the supermarket. Get whatever size you want. I'm going to use the air fryer, as I said. What I've got is some seasoning, so some basic salt and pepper. I'm going to do one in sweet chili glaze, and the other one I'm just going to make a really nice simple soy sauce with honey glaze. And this is one of my tips. Get a glaze on your salmon if you can, because then it will be lovely and golden. Okay, so on to the method. So grab your salmon fillets and we're going to glaze the fleshy side, not the skin side. So first thing we do is we want to get some nice salt and pepper on there so that sits underneath the glaze. And that's my other tip, is make sure you season it before you pop your glaze on. So I'm going to do a little bit of soy sauce, and we're doing about equal parts soy sauce and honey here. I just use a runny honey. You can use any honey you like. Pop that in, and we're just going to pop that onto the salmon. So give it a stir to dissolve that honey in the soy. You can see it's dissolving nicely there. And I'm just going to pop that on one of my salmon fillets. Now here's the other tip. Make sure you use a brush to cover everything, so the sides and that nice fleshy bit. And then on the other one, really simple, going to use some sweet chili sauce. This cooks brilliantly in the air fryer. It makes it lovely and sticky and golden. Again, use that brush, make sure you've got it all over. So grab your fillets and pop them in the air fryer. There they are, so just nicely glazed, just sitting in there. And then I air fried for about 8 to 10 minutes at 200 degrees. This will really depend on how thick your salmon is, okay? So having a look at them there, that's about halfway through, and what I like to do halfway through is re-glaze. So this just makes sure that they're super lovely and golden and sticky. So there we've got the soy honey ones gone on already. Then just pop some of that sweet chili, pop them back in, and like I said, keep cooking that until your salmon is cooked. And the best way to test that is with a thermometer. So we just want to pop that in there, make sure it gets to temperature, and put it into the thickest part of your fish. So there we have it. It's that simple, but look how beautiful they are and how quick they are. It's just a recipe that you just need. You could use it with rice, you could use it with pasta, you could have it with some lovely steamed vegetables. Just a really simple but effective, nice piece of salmon cooked in your air fryer.